In this example, we want to write a context-free grammar that generates all the strings in the form a to the n, b to the m, where m is greater than n. So there will be a list of a's followed by a list of b's, and the number of b should exceed the number of a. Examples of the strings that can be generated: epsilon, since m may be equal to n and n may be equal to 0. Another example is a list of b's without any occurrence of a. Also, we may accept a list of a followed by a list of b where the letters have the same number of occurrences, like triple A, triple B, double A, double B, etc. And also we will accept, for example, double A followed by 6 B's. The condition here states that we have always to check if the number of B is greater than or equal to the number of A. So we can write easily the rules of the grammar here. A string S yields to ASB, so that any occurrence of A will lead to one occurrence of B at the end of the string. This S in the middle will lead also to ASB, and the S in the middle will lead to ASB. So for each A that appears in the beginning, we have a B that appears at the end of the string. And we will repeat this rule until all the letters A appear, and we will see that for each A there is a B at the end of the string. Now for this list of B's in the middle, we will say that S will yield to B with B a list of 0 or more occurrences of B. Let's see here how to generate the string double A, double B. So here we may draw the parse tree for this string by applying first the rule S yields to ASB. For the S in the middle, we will apply also the rule ASB. Now for the S in the middle, we will apply the second rule for S. S yields to B and B yields to epsilon. And here we are with the parsing for the string double A, double B. Let's take a second string, double A, 4 B's. We will apply again S yields to ASB. Then for this variable S, it yields to ASB. And then for this S, it will yield to the variable B, for which we will apply B produces BB. Again, this B produces BB, and the last B will produce epsilon. So we will find our string in the leaves of the parse tree, double A and 4 B's.